Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this bronze glittery smoky eye. If you would like to learn this look or just be inspired by this look, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and get started. Taking my 3502 palette and that transition color, I'm going to go ahead and start blending that right in my crease. Next, taking my Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I'm taking that brown color and just blending that right on top of that transition color. Going back in with that Morphe palette and that dark brown chocolate color, I'm going to start applying that in my inner and outer corner. Now going back in with that transition color, I'm just using that to blend out any of those harsh lines of that brown color. Now I'm taking this burnt orangey shade and applying this into my inner and outer third of my lid. And then we're going to go ahead and blend both of those out. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I'm applying that to the center of my lid. I'm doing the steps so the next color that's going to go on is really going to pop. Now taking this Morphe brush, I'm just blending out the harsh lines. Going in with that bronze orangey color, that will be our main lid color. I'm just applying that to the center of my lid. Now taking that burnt orangey color, I'm just applying that between the chocolate and the bronze color to once again create a smooth transition. Next, for the fun part, I'm taking this hard candy palette in Electric Sunset and taking this gold color and applying that right on top of that bronze color. Going back in with that burnt orangey shade, we're going to be applying that to our lower lash line. Now taking my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, I'm just going to be tight lining my waterline. For lashes, I'm wearing my current favorites. These are the Vamp eyelashes in Feline. For bronzer, I'm using a Jane bronzer in the shade Inspire. Following that, I'll be contouring my face with this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the shades Havana and Java. Taking an Estee Lauder blush palette, I'm using the shade 05 in Pink Lingerie. And you know for highlighter what we always go in. We're going in with our Gilded Honey by Laura Geller. For lips, I'm taking my Laura Mercier lip liner in Potpourri and lining my lips. Topping it off with this liquid lipstick by Stila in the shade Patina. Next, taking this NYX Liquid Matte Cream in the shade Stockholm, I'm just applying that right over Patina. And that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.